guys, welcome to Portal 2, and we're gonna pick up right where we left off. Thinking the game is really fucking loud. But no, it's not! Because I listened to the game yesterday, and Wheatley was so damn quiet. I might have to go check that. 7 frames per second.
Did anything happen while I was out?
Hold on. Okay, that's better. It brings Portal up to...
Just up ahead. The quicker you get through, the quicker you'll get your $60.
Hold on.
Caroline, are the compensation vouchers ready?
Yes, sir, Mr. Johnson. Why did I just... Who is that? What the hell is going on here?
You okay there, Gladys? Hello? Okay. Is this the fast one? I can't remember. Yep, it's the fast one. Yep, Speedy. This is Speedy! I love Speedy things. Speedy, because it's this. As I said, I love Speedy. Now I need to go back. Go up there. Because I need to make Speedy. Happen down there. Portals and our poor GLaDOS is down. GLaDOS, are you awake? No? Okay. Now I need some speed. Yeah. See what I mean? I knew I was gonna need some speed. Damn. Definitely not enough. Oh, wait. Let's try this. Yeah!
I guess emotional
just gonna shake her for a minute. Ow. Guess that's not right. That's gonna be a bounce right there. There we go. That's what I want. Yep, that's what I want. Yeah. Okay, because it's speedy and then bounce. So speedy and then bounce. Ha. All right. Okay, so you know how I just said speedy and bounce? Gonna guess. We're gonna have to be really speedy. Bounce! Go! Oh god! My timing was off. It's all good. I wasn't scared or nothing.
War hero and war Olympian. With your help, we're gonna change the world. This on? Hey, listen up down there. That thing's called an elevator, not a bathroom.
I swear I know him.
If I just keep shaking her, maybe she'll... I like that you can see it shaking. And I like that they changed the aperture sign here to the old one. Not the one that GLaDOS has up and running, but like the old school one.
If you're interested in an additional $60, flag down a test associate and let them know. You could walk out of here with 120 weighing down your bindle if you let us take you apart, put some science stuff in you, then put you back together. Good as new.
I'm pretty sure I need speed here. Let's go here. Yeah, because I'm gonna have to jump that. I don't know where the bounce comes in yet, but... figure that out in a minute. Right there! Right there is where the bounce came in! No, I'm stuck over here. Oh, that's not good. Holy shit! endlessly entertained with stupid stuff. Okay. Ah, I need to paint that. Alright, cool. Fuck. No, it's that way. That was that way. Okay. It's gonna bounce that box. Nope. Haha! Oh, I'm gonna need some speed. Okay. Here we go. Not enough! Not enough! Not enough! I jumped! Not enough speed. Da 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 da. Really? This is where you're gonna. Really, game? Alright, that's cool. I deserved it. Let's see. I can't believe I just did that. I'm a dumbass. Why did you fail aperture testing, Alex? Because you're a dumbass, that's why. Alright, so we're gonna paint this and this. Da, da, flying through the air. Because physics is my friend. Aperture science. Aperture science. Okay, don't jump this time, huh? Yeah. Go, 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 go. Oh my god!
If you're interested, there's still time to available for that smaller opportunity I mentioned earlier. Again, all you gotta do is let us we know how to put a man back together. So that's a complete reassembly. New vitals, spit shine on the old ones, plus we're scooping out tumors. Frankly, you ought to be paying us.
Cold coffee. And I don't have to do voices for this one. So my throat might not cut out as much. If you don't watch the Frambo, though, which I think everyone should go check out my Frambo playthrough.
Thank you. I can't believe I'm thanking these people. For staggering your way through Aperture Science's propulsion gel testing, you've made some real contributions to society for a change, and for that, humanity is grateful. If you had any belongings, please pick them up now. We don't want old newspapers and sticks cluttering up the building. For many of you, I realize $60 is an unprecedented windfall, so don't go spending it all on, I don't know, Carolyn, what do these people buy? Tattered hats? Beard dirt?
All forms must be filled out legibly and completely before eligible to receive payment of $60. I have a... Notice, please excuse inconvenience. This elevator is out of service until... yada yada. Thank you for not loitering longer than 20 minutes. Elevator to surface. I gotta get up there. How do we do that, GLaDOS? Got any ideas? Rattle, rattle. She's very quiet. She must be mad at me. There's one idea. Maybe over here? Behind the chairs? Yep. Oh. I'm just walking around right now, seeing what's to see. Whenever I see a brick wall, my thought is to put a portal there. What's in here?
Carolyn, why do I know this woman? Did I kill her? Or... oh my god. Look, you're doing a great job. Can you handle things for yourself for a while? I need to think.
Pretty sure I've been handling it all by myself for a while, GLaDOS. I'm just saying. Pretty sure I've been doing this all by myself. Ah, I remember now. I remember now. Yeah. No. Ha! Ha!
Good for him. Alright, back to thinking.
Yeah, I remember this one. This one sucks. Okay, not now. Okay. No. Okay.
Welcome to the Enrichment Center. Since making test participation mandatory for all employees, the quality of our test subjects has risen dramatically. Employee retention, however, has not. As a result, you may have heard we're going to phase out human testing. There's still a few things left to wrap up, though. The bean counters told me we literally could not afford to buy $7 worth of moon rocks, much less 70 million. Bought them anyway, ground them up, mixed them into a gel. And guess what? Ground up moon rocks are pure poison. I am deathly ill. Still, it turns out they're a great portal conductor. So now, We're gonna see if jumping in and out of these new portals can somehow leach the lunar poison out of a man's bloodstream. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Let's all stay positive and do some science. That said, I would really appreciate it if you could test as fast as possible. Carolyn, please bring me more pain pills.
Okay. Know your paradoxes in the event of a rogue AI, aka GLaDOS or Wheatley. Stand still. Remain calm. Scream. This statement is false. New mission. Refuse this mission. Does a set of all sets contain itself? Hello, dark room. There is Cave Johnson at the end. I will push that button. I don't even ask questions. I just go and push buttons. That's the bad thing about me. I see a button and I have to push it. Nah, button. Don't know why. Just because I can. Warning, please do not test if you are allergic to lunar sediment and or starch. If you have fulfilled your monthly test self-election quota, you are confident enough that in your work performance to unvolunteer from the test election process. Okay, I love this stuff because of this. I can just sort of throw it everywhere. And I can make an entire room a place for portals. See, now I can get out. See, what I remember about playing this game the first time through is, my mother had just had a surgery. I'm not gonna say what surgery or anything like that, but she had just had a surgery, and, she was high on the couch with painkillers, and, all I remember is sitting there playing this game and her cackling. Like, seriously, just losing her shit because of GLaDOS's insults to me and stuff like that. She thought it was the funniest thing ever. I was like, thanks, Mom. Such a good mom. That goes there. Awesome. That's what I remember about playing Portal the first time through. Is that my mom was just cackling all the time about it. How do I do this? Can I get portal glue over there? And then portal glue up here? And then portal glue up here? There we go. Oh shit! So we're gonna put a portal there. Do I have portal? No, I do not. I need portal glue down there. Hey. Don't fall. Trying to get portal goo. Okay. Son of a bitch! I'm not even going fast. Stay. Okay, so blue. Oh, I could have done it here. Orange, blue, fly, fly, you fool. Yeah!
All right, I've been thinking. When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade.
My favorite quote.
Life, take the lemons back.
Yeah!
Dad, I don't want your damn lemons. What am I supposed to do with these?
Take the lemons.
Demand to see life's manager. Make life rue the day and thought it could give Cave Johnson lemons. Do you know who I am? I'm the
I love this.
your house down with the lemons.
Oh, I like this guy.
I'm gonna get my engineers to invent a combustible lemon that burns your house down.
His house down. Burning people. He says what we're all thinking.
The point is, if we can store music on a compact disc, why can't we store a man's intelligence and personality on one? So I have the engineers figuring that out now. Brain mapping, artificial intelligence. We should have been working on it 30 years ago. I will say this, and I'm gonna say it on tape so everybody hears it 100 times a day. If I die before you people can pour me into a computer, I want Carolyn to run this place. Now she'll argue. She'll say she can't. She's modest like that, but you make her. Hell, put her in my computer. I don't care. All right, test's over. You can head on back to your desk.
Goodbye, sir.
Okay, that is like literally one of my favorite moments in the whole entire game is the burn the lemons, because I want combustible lemons so I can burn people's houses down that piss me off with lemons. I'm not afraid to admit that. Because people would ask the question, did you just fucking burn my house down with lemons? Yes, I did. What are you gonna do about it? Where's your evidence? Who's gonna believe that you burned somebody's house down with combustible lemons? Sorry. It's literally my favorite quote ever. Okay. So. Up, up, up. Up there. We're gonna go as high as we can. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah, that happened. Thank God for long falls. So I'm missing something. Oh, I see what I have to do. Maybe not. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay. Orange. Blue. Holy shit. Orange. Oh, I didn't do it fast enough. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Panic. Panic. Panic over. Panic over. 5 frames per second. Push the button.
I know things look bleak, but that crazy man down there was right. Let's not take these lemons. We are going to march right back upstairs and make him put me back in my body. And he'll probably kill us because he's incredibly powerful and I have no plan. Well, I'm not going to lie to you. The odds are 1,000,000 to 1, and that's with some generous rounding. Still, though, let's get mad. If we're going to explode, let's at least explode with some dignity.
Okay, GLaDOS. Can I shoot portals on here? Ooh, I can. Where does that take me? That took me here. Hallelujah. Oof! Broke my legs. Not really. But. Okay, 1. Little drops, little drops, little drops. Okay. That's orange, so. Blue! Blue power! Alright. Give me some more blue. I don't know where this goes. You know what? I don't think I need that. Fuck! Ha! Look at that! Brainiac! I just have to keep remembering. Speedy thing goes in, speedy thing comes out. Yeah, that's gonna be a bounce. I need some white. It's confused. First, I need some white. Thank you. Okay. Shit! Fuck! Damn it! Alright, I'll be right back. I think I have it figured out. I think. Yes! Oh, wait, I know. Yes! Yes! Booyah, motherfucker! Now where? No! Huh. I guess that's what you do. Oh shit! How do I get out? Oh no. Wow! Freedom! Stuck again. Gel pump station's up there. Can I get up there from here? Let's see. No. Really sorry. Just concentrating on where I can and cannot go with these portals. Alright, I'm up here. I need to get over there. Can I fly? Think I can. Think I can. Why else would they give me this option? Nope. Ow. Hit my face. Maybe I can fly from there. Let's fly from there. Oh, I was slightly high. I was slightly too high. Alright. Alright. Son of a bitch, I have to hit that fucking window there. Alright. Damn it! Fly high, little butterfly. Back. No, wait. Let's do this. Let's go there. Let's stop trying to break through stuff. Damn it! I was close that time. Oh, I checked my subscribers count today. I have 18 of you guys now out there. I hate aiming in this game because it's not easy, and they did not give you an easy way back up so that you could re-aim yourself. If you noticed. Please, 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 yes! Okay.
Paradoxes. No AI can resist thinking about them. I know how we can beat him.
Okay. I did it! 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 Anyways. I did it, GLaDOS! Not a complete idiot!
If you can get me in front of him, I'll fry every circuit in that little idiot's head. As long as I don't listen to what I'm saying, I should be okay. Probably.
I'm just so proud of myself right now, GLaDOS. You don't even understand.
Okay, so it's not the most watertight plan to go confront an omnipotent power-mad AI with. Still, it's a better plan than exploding. Marginally.
It's a better plan than exploding marginally. I agree. Wheatley science. I'm sorry. Oh, fucking Wheatley. What did you do? Alright, guys, and that's where we're going to end this episode of Portal 2. If you like what you saw, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you didn't like what you saw, well, I'm sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!